Shalom, shalom. This is Yael, and I just finished watching a live presentation by my dear friend, and what she said was very thought-provoking and moving indeed, and it made me think about just how much more that I can be doing. There's nothing wrong with reaching out to people via social media because of the distance between us. But we have to get back reacquainted with hands-on approach. We have to get back to physically, actually being involved in our surroundings, in our communities, making an impact in the lives of those around us. There's another way of showing our love for the Creator, our devotion to the Creator. And that is by how we choose to interact with those in the world, be it our own people, and be it those that surround our community that may not be of our people, but they are still a part of humanity. In what way are we making this world a better place? In what way are we physically impacting the life of others? Now, of course, we can impact somebody's life with the things that we share via social media. My life has been impacted greatly, but my life have always been impacted more by the actual physical contact and the talking in the presence of someone that truly cares and want to impact my life. We have to get back to being a hands-on people. And when we become hands-on, we show people to a higher degree that we truly care and that we truly only desire their best. So yes, we know we show the Creator that we love Him when we worship only Him and when we walk according to the Torah. But there's another way that we show that we love the Creator, and that is how we also react to one another. So that's all I wanted to share at this time. This is your brother Yael Ezra Ben Living. Think about the words that I said and just find out what we can do to really impact the life of those that we meet, how we could really be impactful in our community and beyond. This is your brother Yael Ezra Ben Living. Shalom, love, and blessings. Till next time.